Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to fix hashtag NUM errors in Excel. Let's dive in. First, identify the hashtag NUM error. Here, some cells are showing hashtag NUM error. Let's check why it happens. First, make sure all reference cells contain numeric data. If your formula references text data, convert it to numeric or correct the reference. Next, review the formula or function in the cell. Ensure all arguments provided are valid and appropriate. For instance, if you're using the sqrt function, make sure the argument is non-negative. Here's an example. If you have equals sqrt minus 25, you'll see a hashtag NUM error because square roots of negative numbers are invalid in Excel. To fix this, ensure A1 has a non-negative number. Next, address overflow issues. That's because Excel can only handle numbers up to a certain size. If your calculations exceed this limit, a hashtag NUM error will occur. Simplify the formula or break down the calculation to avoid overflow. Here as example, if you're using equals fact 175 in a cell, it will result in a hashtag NUM error because the factorial of 175 exceeds Excel's numeric limits. To fix this, break the calculation into smaller parts or use an alternative method. If still the error exists, use error handling functions like iferror or isNumber to handle potential errors gracefully. For example, use equals iferror sqrt minus 25 error to display error instead of hashtag NUM when dividing by 0. By following these steps, you can resolve hashtag NUM errors in your Excel worksheets, ensuring your data calculations are accurate and error-free. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.